How to get Disney Plus, Hulu, and Max bundle. First, navigate to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link down in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it takes you directly to disneyplus.com. You can see right away the Disney, Hulu, and Max bundle. Click select. Next, you'll create your Disney Plus account, so enter your email, password, and birth date. Here, you can upgrade to the no ads version. Click upgrade. After that, fill in your payment information. You can use a credit card or PayPal. Once you're ready, click agree and subscribe. You can log in with your Disney account and start watching your Disney and Hulu content. For some Hulu content, you might want to use the Hulu app. To access Max content, you first need to activate your Max account. To do that, follow the steps shown on the screen. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support my work is to use my affiliate link in the description. I really appreciate it if you do that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.